these findings take us? And what types of information could we send? If only we could send ourselves in place of music, then we too could overcome time. Traveling back to witness our own birth, or watch ourselves as children. Turning our bodies into data may prove difficult, if not impossible. But beaming our minds through time and space could get us closer to our dream of time travel. If that doesn't work, there may be one more amazing loophole that will. In San Francisco, physicist Dr. Jack Safardi wants to turn the whole idea around. Rather than taking our bodies to times and places we want to experience, he believes the first way we'll achieve time travel will be by bringing information from other times and places to us.
We have to really understand what mind and consciousness is as a physical phenomenon before we can even think of traveling through time, before we can even think of building warp drive starships to get there bodily.
Dr. Sarfati believes the means of understanding consciousness and achieving time travel will come from a computer chip modeled on human brain cells. He calls it the Q chip, and says it would be conscious just like a human being.
Devices using Q chips would be time machines in the sense that interface with the human brain. You'd be able to experience information from other times, other places.
Dr. Sarfati believes that with the power of the Q chip, we could select destinations for virtual visits as easily as we now change channels on the television set.
It's going to be like virtual reality, but so good that you can't distinguish it from real reality. You know, it's basically we're talking about virtual reality, but where you're actually projected on, to different places, different times.
Through the Q chip, we could communicate telepathically with any mind from the past or the future, even our own. We'd have a solution to the paralleled universe dilemma that leaves time travelers trapped body and soul with a one-way ticket in the world they've come to visit. There'd be no risk of the dangerous crushing gravity of speed travel. Time travel may still sound like an impossible dream. But if, as David Deutsch says, the laws of physics don't forbid it, then maybe we can develop the means to turn that dream into a reality. It may come by engineering wormholes, navigating parallel universes, or traversing history with a Q-chip. Either way, science says that we may one day have the choice to jump through that gateway.
It's going to take us to the stars. We're going to make Star Trek real. So, I mean, to me, this is certainly a positive, optimistic vision for the 21st century. Let's start doing it,